What's going on, everybody? My name is Eric Bland. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Dyson. What? I'm super stoked to be able to go ahead and show you guys what this can do. I am pumped. Right after this.
I'm going to show you how great I am.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Alrighty, we are here. Let's do the unboxing, if you will. Take this, do this, and this. Woo! I am so excited, you guys. Where did I go? All right, the reason I'm so excited because we have a vacuum and the cord is probably like a 10-foot cord. So you have to constantly unplug it, plug it in, unplug it, and you get length cut on a new cord for yourself. But on this is super stoked just to be able to do a battery powered one. Take a look. Directions, nobody needs that. All right, let's get to the main source here. I heard this thing for a half hour will clean. That's like on regular, on max, it will be, let me see if it, woo, baby. All right, let's see what else we can unbox in here. What is this? This is the charger. All right, all right. This is the mounting bracket. This is so cool. My son's gonna love to do this. He'll be able to want to vacuum. Those directions we will keep. All right, let's see. We've got the extension for it. These little vacuums, I get it. It's a little pricey for the vacuum. I get what you're gonna say, but it's really pricey. Got a good deal on it day after Thanksgiving here. Did you guys go after Thanksgiving shopping? What did you guys get? I got all kinds of stuff. All right. Wow. Nice. I'm excited to see how this works with cat hair. We have a cat, so I really want to see how that's going to work with cat hair. Supposedly it just pops right in. Ooh, ah. There's a connector in here, should be, over here. If you want to pick up smaller items on the floor, on the countertop, breadcrumbs, things like that. That's it. That's all you get for $200. Let's go ahead. Real quick, if you're learning how to take this and empty it, it's very simple. You just pull it until it goes. And then put it down after you empty it. Let's do it again. It's going to feel like it's not want to go. You just pull it again. And there we go. All right. I can't wait to just get the cobwebs with this sucker. Well, not this sucker, but like take this off and use this guy for the cobwebs. What? I'd be like, my gosh. All right. Ooh, ooh. Wow. Oh, okay, so it's got like 2 in 1. So this is like the sucker, if you will, in like a car wash, if you will. See how the plastic, that's just the plastic piece on there. It's got a little bristle on the bottom to really kick the hair too. And then this slides up. I'll just, for the love. There we go. And now it's just a bristle, so you can do some dusting, or not dusting, you can get the cobweb.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The
All right, so we're empty. So let's see how it works on this tile.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. Tell my dream, but I just want it.
So what did I pick up from this little area here? This is crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that disgusting? Just from that little area. That is ridiculous. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna have to say, I'm gonna give the Dyson V7 2 thumbs up because that vacuum down there was just ran, absolutely just ran. And look how much dirtiness I just got out from this hallway. Oh my gosh. Well, until next time, I'll see you guys later.
Like the attention, girl, I know you.